The activity that we plan is for kids of pre-Kindle level between 5 to 6 years old. It's for English class, more or less for 45 minutes, and is related with the clothes.
Okay, our objective of the activity is by the end of the class, students will be able to recognize four clothing. These clothing are shoes, scarf, jacket, and hat.
We have been working during the period the clothing theme. In today's activity, we will show four new clothes. For this, it's important that we know the language of learning. In this case, is shoes, scarf, jacket, and hat, and the language for learning. We need two phrases. The first is touch a. When the kids need to touch a cloth that the teacher say, and the other is where is your. In this part, the kids need to find a cloth that the teacher say. For example, where is your jacket? The kid need to find in the classroom a jacket. And in the pre-activity, in opening, we are going to present the song, and the kids need to do the same that the video do. The time required in this part is 5 minutes, and the recourses we need to song.
In the part of while activity, in the presentation of introduction of the topic, the idea is that kids will look for the different pictures that they will find in the school, in the halls of the school. And when they pick the images, they return to the classroom, and in the classroom they will find different circles, the circles with the different parts. For example, one for shoes, one circle for jacket, one circle for hat, and one circle for a scarf. The idea is that kids need to put the different images in the correct circle. When kids do it, the idea is that teacher will say the name of the parts, and the kids will repeat. The resources for this activity are the tape and the pictures, and the time is 10 minutes. In the free practice, the idea is that kids will have this format. This format has the different parts, the different clothes that we saw, and another one. The idea is that kids need to cut the different parts and put in the correct part of the body. For example, if they cut the shoes, they need to put in the foot of the boy. If they cut the hat, they need to put in the head of the girl. And this is the idea for this part of the activity, for free practice. For this activity, we have 5 minutes, and the kids need the format, the scissors, and Pegastir or something like that.
In the stage of post-activity, in the closure of our planner, we put the song again, and the idea is that kids first listen, and after kids will sing and touch their body parts. This will be done individually, in a first part individually, and then in groups, more faster. The time for this stage are 5 minutes, and the resources are the song and the sounds of the video. To meet our objective, we have indicators of achievements. Some indicators are: repeat the action of the video, search the picture around the school, find 4 circles, put the clothing in the correct circle, repeat and touch with their clothes, play Simon Says with the instructions of the teacher, cut the clothes in the paper and paste on the body with the correct clothing and body parts. sing the song and touch the clothing that the song said. And this is our activity. Thanks for listening us.